Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now XRP is losing this support just there. So this gives it a technical target of 51 cents down here. Okay, so all eyes on Bitcoin because this is a technical target that XRP is in right now on the weekly. You're closing down here. Okay, this is the weekly candle. So a lot can happen in a week. Basically, if you start to close below this key level support, then your technical target will be this because you're losing the support of the falling wedge. Like I said to you, coming towards the apex, you get a breakout. Obviously you can break to the upside, you lose support, you're going to come down to the downside, and lo and behold, Bitcoin shit the bed, hasn't it? You know, this is a bullish reversal pattern right here. You break resistance, you start to come back up, retrace to these highs. Beautiful. Okay, but you can see we've lost support. Now just look at this. Okay, we got a wick where we come back into the pattern and start to do this. This can happen. You know, it's all eyes on Bitcoin. That's what I mean. At the minute, this could be deemed as a bit of a fake out. This is a bit of a fake out, and obviously it starts to come back up. You've come back down. You've filled this wick. You're retesting these lows. So if you can hold this right now, start to come back up, back into the pattern. This is where you could get this little fake out, bear trap, so to speak. Start to come back up. So what we do need to see is the confirmation close below this key level support. Okay, close below this key level support, then your technical target would be the loss of a falling wedge, and that would be your technical target 51 cents there for XRP. With Bitcoin, we're looking for some kind of spring where it comes down, holds support, and then starts to break back up. Okay, so the weekly close is really, really important here for XRP. Close below this, technical target 51 cents. Okay, and like I said to you just there, you know, that's a whopping downtrend of around about 30%, wasn't it? So, you know, at that point, you know, can we wick, hold that support, which is these wicks down here? You see this? Okay, start to come back up. But if we start to close on the weekly below this, okay, you can see, and especially close below this as well, on the weekly start it in the head, you can see that we're effectively rolled here. This was the top of the bull, and you know, this is a downtrend essentially, and XRP is coming down, okay, and potentially, you know, to the depths, 30 cents in the bear market right there. And the reason is because just here, from there to there, if we go from the impulsive break to the impulsive low, to retracement, you can see that 27 cents will be a target, and you can see we're losing this swing high just there where we've held support just there, and with that you can see where you come down to the next swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. You start to lose that and you're coming down to the 1618 would be my target if you do start closing below 51 cents on the weekly. But one thing that XRP is doing here, I'll be honest with you, it is relatively strong compared to a lot of the alts. Now a lot of the alts are actually losing this low, this wick low that they put in way back there in December. They're already losing that. Okay, but XRP here is still showing relative strength, and we've not actually closed the day. Look, this is your daily candle just there, and a lot can happen in a day. Look at the wick there. We came down, capitulation, start to come back up. If you come back into the pattern, then you're closing inside the pattern, you know, and you're looking to break out to the upside. So we're not completely out the woods. We're not completely in the floor here for XRP. We're looking for the bounce in Bitcoin, basically. That's what I'm trying to say to you, and we can get these little fake out patterns that basically bear traps, okay, and to put the fear of God into people. Now one of the things that I do like to look at obviously is CBBI. That's at 45, which it was in the low of the spring of July for Bitcoin as well. We've got the fear and greed index down there in the floor where we got the spring in Bitcoin as well, you know, at level 10, you know, so it's all sort of matching up at the moment, isn't it? And the fear, anxiety that we're going to collapse and go to zero, and Bitcoin's rolling and it's dragging the market down with it. Always capitulation is opportunity, is what I'm trying to say to you. So does it guarantee that we're going to break up and come to the upside? Of course it doesn't. You know, it's a game of support and resistance, and right now you are losing this key level support. You continue to do this and hit your head, you know, you're going to be coming down to 51 cents. That would be my technical target for you right now for XRP. Obviously you break this, your technical target breaking resistance is coming back up to each point of contact, you know, to retrace to the resistance points of which you made in the pattern, basically. So yeah, that's basically XRP. Not completely out of the woods yet, you know. Don't sort of panic and run for the hills just yet, because potentially, you know, look at the wick on that daily time frame, look at the wicks here as well. We get a little bit of support today, by the end of the day and start to come back up, you can see how this is a bit of a fake out essentially, you know. But if we do start closing below this key level support, hit on the head, then you're coming down to that, okay, and that does need to hold. Like I've said to you so many times, it is the biggest level of support here that confirms the bear market, because if you start to come down there, hit your head, you can see essentially you've just rolled here and you're coming down into a bear market, and it will find low for you around about 27 cents, I think it is, which again would be a massive opportunity moving forward, wouldn't it, for XRP. So that's basically XRP. Quick little update for you. Take care everyone, stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.